This is a very quick update on the situation with the 4-lane track. I've come to a grinding halt for a few reasons, and one is I'm just trying to procure more of this high-walled track. I want to thank EnZed Racing for supplying me a whole stack, as you can see here, and this will just become so handy for all the areas around the track that I need these high walls to connect into. I've also ordered some more kits I've found online, so I'm waiting on those to arrive. So, you know, depending on how the mail is, it could be here next week, it could be here next month, I have no idea. The diorama has completely come to a halt as well. I've come up with a plan and an idea and a plan that I'm going to implement. I wasn't going to do the whole rock thing, but you know what? I've decided I will inlay rock all the way through here. So yeah, just a quick video on where I'm at. Racing will happen as soon as possible. Okay, thanks guys. Catch you later.